ever feel like your belly just puffs up like a balloon and you have no idea why? Don't fret, tesoro. Nonna Tina's here to help you stop the bloat fast with simple, natural remedies your gut will love. Just watch the video till the end. Ciao, belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. So, let's dig to the root cause, eh? Bloating usually means there's too much gas in your belly. But where does that gas come from? When your belly blows up like a focaccia in the oven, blame those cheeky microbes in your gut. They throw a party when you feed them bread, sugar, beans, or too much fruit. And if you snack all day, your belly needs a nap, just like Nonna after Sunday supper. Do you understand? Capisci? Now, I hate to break it to you, amici, but you should know that some so-called healthy foods are puffing up your belly like pizza dough. Let Nonna Tina unpack the sneaky foods turning your belly into a balloon. Here's the list. That sweet banana? It seems innocent, but its sugars ferment faster than Nonna's limoncello, grapes, apples, mangoes. Too much fructose. They feed gas-making microbes until your gut's bubbling like minestrone. Beans and lentils are packed with oligosaccharides, fibers your gut can't break down. Those microbes feast on them and puff! Your belly's tighter than Nonna's Sunday dress. Bread, pasta, cereal, attenzione! Gluten and FODMAPs turn your gut into sticky pasta alla gomma. Even whole grain can bloat sensitive bellies like yeast in pizza dough. Have you heard about xylitol and erythritol? These are sugar-free sweeteners that trick your brain with sweetness but crash the party in your colon. Gas, cramps, you name it. Broccoli, onions, garlic. Yes, they're nutritious, but their raffinose sugar is like handing fireworks to your gut microbes. For sensitive stomachs, that means total chaos. What's Nonna's #1 rule for happy digestion? Here are my healing secrets. Keep meals as simple as Sunday supper. Stick to 2 to 3 ingredients. Your tummy's no mixing bowl, capisci? And darling, give your gut breathing room between meals. Less chaos, more amore for your belly. Even healthy eating can't fix stress bloat. Anxiety slams the brakes on digestion. Flat morning belly but ballooned by dinner? Stress is likely hijacking your gut. My best advice is breathe deep, walk daily, take magnesium, and trade worry for a smile. That calms your belly best. Are you backed up, my friend? If you're not going to the bathroom every day, your belly will hold on to gas and waste. Natural herbs like slippery elm or senna-tea can help. Also try probiotics and bile salts after meals if your digestion is slow. Even leafy greens can bloat sensitive bellies, especially with SIBO or IBS. Nonna handles cabbage fine, but broccoli, mamma mia! Find your safe veggies, skip troublemakers for now, and always steam or sauté them. Gentle cooking equals happier digestion. Now that you've learned what's behind the bloat, it's time for Nonna Tina's special remedy. A gentle drink that soothes your tummy, helps digestion, and kicks that gas goodbye. Remember to drink this first thing in the morning or 30 minutes after a heavy meal and your gut will thank you. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Until next time, stay well, and remember, Nonna's kitchen always has another secret waiting. Ciao.